Alright, we out here at Garvin Park trying to figure out where we're gonna fish at next. What's the best area? You having any luck? Two bass? I don't never have no luck out here.
I haven't on bait, but that little booger there, first bass in there, they hit.
Is that right?
Yeah, I fish everywhere with that.
Get the duckies some little bread. Feed the ducks. That's the only thing I could do. That's it, people. That's it. I'm still trying to find a place to fish. This might be a good little location. But out here, you just don't never catch a whole lot. So still, I'm out here taking this journey. Walking around.
No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for you. With every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. I'll climb a mountain that's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and intertwine. When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart. When it comes to you, comes to you.
Still out at Garvin Park, still searching for a place to fish. I think if they really stock this lake up, it'll be pretty decent, but there's not a whole lot out here. Here I am, right up in here, trying to see what would be a good place. Kind of tight right here, so I don't get my lines all caught up. But maybe if I, here we go. Here we are, people, out here at Garvin Park, still trying to find a place that's gonna be worth fishing at. This might be a good spot, but after talking to a guy over there, he said there's really not a whole lot here. And once again, I said I've been here a couple of times, so I might try it again just to see if I can get something going. Not for sure yet though. But I do like this spot right here. It's nice and cozy. You got a little room to throw your line out there so you don't get tangled all up. You really ain't got to catch nothing. If I can throw my pole off in the water and the fish bite, turtle bite, I think I'm alright. Whether I catch something or not. Sometimes I throw them back in there just depending on how I feel. If I can't catch at least 3, 4, I'm not going to keep it no way. I'm not going to waste my time on one fish to clean. I'm just not going to do that. So they get quiet, you come thinking you got bread or something. Here we are, trying to find some more ground. See where else can I fish at?
No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for you. With every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. I'll climb a mountain that's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no cry. Let's take both